Searching for a bike chain cleaning tool under $40 feels like falling into a rabbit hole. Everything looks the same. Same plastic brushes, same professional grade claims, same stock photos. But here's what no one tells you. The difference between a tool that actually cleans and one that just looks busy is buried deep in the details. Let's fix that. Product number 1, blue and red dual brush set. This 2-piece blue and red brush set is one of the cheapest options out there at just $11.33, and honestly, it's flying off shelves. Over 1,000 sold last month. What caught my eye was the simple dual brush design, one for the chain, one for cogs. If you want a no-fuss, budget-friendly way to wipe down your drivetrain after a muddy ride, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The stiff nylon bristles actually get into the tight spaces between chain rollers, and the ergonomic handles give you decent control without slipping. It doesn't hold cleaner like fancier models, but for quick wipe downs or light cleaning, it does the job. Plus, it works on all bike types: road, mountain, even e-bikes. Now, some people might complain about the lack of durability. These are basic plastic brushes, not heavy-duty tools. And yeah, if you're deep cleaning your chain weekly with solvent, this won't last years. But for occasional use, totally fine. I've seen cheaper brushes fall apart after 2 uses, but this one holds up surprisingly well for the price. This is perfect for you if you're a casual rider who just wants to keep grime from building up between full washes. Skip this one if you're doing full degreasing sessions or ride in super gritty conditions regularly. For under $12, it's solid value. Just don't expect it to replace a full cleaning system. Product number 2, Park Tool CM 5.3 Cyclone. All right, that last brush was simple, but if you want something that actually holds cleaner and scrubs while you pedal, meet the Park Tool CM 5.3 Cyclone at $44.11. Yeah, it's a few bucks over 40, but hear me out. This is the gold standard for home mechanics, and over 300 people bought it last month despite the price. Here's why this matters for you specifically. You clamp it onto your chain, add solvent, and pedal backward. The rotating brushes scrub every link automatically. The wicking sponge soaks up excess cleaner as the chain exits, so you're not dripping gunk all over your floor. It works on every speed from 5 to 12, and the lemon-scented solvent, yes, really, helps cut through grease without harsh chemicals. Now, some people complained about the price, and honestly, it stings a little. Others said it's overkill if you only ride once a week. Here's the thing though, if you clean your chain regularly, this pays for itself in time saved and chain longevity. But if you're just doing monthly wipe downs, maybe it's too much. This is perfect for you if you ride often, hate messy cleanup, and want a tool that makes deep cleaning effortless. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget or only clean your bike occasionally. At $44, it's a stretch under $40, but for serious riders, it's worth every penny. Product number 3, Corky Chain and Crank Brush. Now, if the Park Tool felt too fancy, this Corky cleaning set at $10.08 brings it back to basics. Over 100 bought it last month, and what stands out is how lightweight and compact it is. Just 0.17 kilograms, all plastic, no frills. If you want a minimalist brush that fits in your saddlebag for trailside touch-ups, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The narrow chain brush slips easily into tight links, and the smaller brush handles crank arms and derailleurs. It's not built for heavy degreasing, but for quick post-ride cleanups, it's surprisingly effective. The plastic build keeps costs down, and it's compatible with motorcycles too. Great if you switch between bikes. Now, some people might say it feels flimsy, and yeah, it's not metal or reinforced. Drop it, and it might crack. But here's the thing. For $10, you're not buying a lifetime tool. You're buying a backup, a travel brush, or a first-time cleaner. It's not meant to replace a full kit. This is perfect for you if you need a cheap, portable brush for light maintenance or as a spare. Skip this one if you're cleaning with strong solvents or need something rugged. For the price, it's a steal. Just don't expect it to last forever. Product number 4, Roske 6-piece cleaning kit. All right, that was a solid budget pick. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for riders who want more than just a brush. The Roske 6-piece kit at $10.08 includes 3 specialized brushes, a chain scrubber, and tools for cranksets and gears. Over 100 sold last month, and it's one of the most complete sets under $15. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The dual-action chain brush has reinforced nylon bristles that really dig into grime, and the ergonomic grip lets you scrub hard without hand fatigue. It's designed for mountain bikes and e-bikes, where dirt builds up fast. Plus, it's compatible with motorcycles, so if you ride both, you're covered. Now, some people complained about the plastic feeling cheap. And yeah, it's not metal. But here's the thing. It's corrosion-resistant ABS, so it handles chemical cleaners fine. And for $10, getting 6 tools, that's insane value. You're not getting park tool durability, but you're getting way more function. This is perfect for you if you want a full cleaning setup without spending $50. Skip this one if you need heavy-duty, long-term gear. For the price, it's one of the best all-in-one deals out there. Product number 5, 8-piece precision brush set. Now, if the Roske kit impressed you, this 8-piece set at $20.18 takes it up a notch. With over 100 sold last month, it includes a chain scrubber, gear brushes, tire levers, and even a spoke tool. If you want one box that handles every part of your bike's drivetrain, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The precision brushes are angled for hard-to-reach spots. Think derailleur pulleys and cassette teeth. The chain scrubber has stiff bristles that mimic professional tools, and the lightweight design means you can clean everything in under 10 minutes. It works on mountain, road, hybrid, even BMX bikes. Now, some people said the handles feel a bit thin. And yeah, they're not rubberized or super grippy. But for $20, you're getting 8 tools, most of which you buy separately. It's not the sturdiest, but it's the most complete. This is perfect for you if you want maximum coverage without buying individual brushes. Skip this one if you only care about chain cleaning. For general maintenance, it's a killer deal. So which one should you grab? If you want ultra cheap and simple, go with the blue and red brushes. Need automatic cleaning? Stretch for the Park Tool Cyclone. Want a full kit under $15? Roske 6-piece is hard to beat. And if you clean everything, not just the chain, the 8-piece set gives you the most tools for the price. No matter your need, there's a solid option under $40. Just pick based on how dirty your rides get.